Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set auto power off to 4 hours, 6 hours and 8 hours. Okay. Simply go to settings, tap on all settings, then select general and privacy, select power and energy savings. Here you can see the option auto power off. Tap on this one. Now you can see this is disabled. First of all, you can see this is disabled, right? So to enable this, if you enable this one, then choose how long the TV will wait for before turning off after no user interaction is detected. If you tap on the option auto power off, then you can see sometimes 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. So according to your choice, you can select the option. If you select the option 4 hours, then after 4 hours of inactivity on your TV, the TV will automatically turn off. And you can choose 6 hours and you can choose 8 hours. So simply in this way, we can set auto power off to 4 hours, 6 hours or 8 hours on this TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.